Curtis Publishing Co. v. Butts, 388 U.S. 130, 1967, was a case in which the Supreme Court of the United States established the standard of First Amendment protection against defamation claims brought by private individuals. Background: this case involved a libel lawsuit filed by former Georgia Bulldogs football coach Wally Butts against the Saturday Evening Post. The lawsuit arose from an article in the magazine alleging that Butts and Alabama head coach Bear Bryant had conspired to fix games. The decision was consolidated with another case, Associated Press v. Walker, and the two were decided in one opinion. In finding for Butts, but finding against Walker, the Supreme Court gave some indications of when a public figure could sue for libel. Opinion of the Court. In a plurality opinion, written by Justice John Marshall Harlan II, the Court held that while news organizations were protected from liability when printing allegations about public officials, under the Supreme Court's New York Times Co. v. Sullivan decision, 1964, they may still be liable to public figures if the information they disseminate is recklessly gathered and unchecked. The court ultimately ruled in favor of Butts, and the Saturday Evening Post was ordered to pay $3.06 million to Butts in damages, which was later reduced on appeal to $460,000. The settlement was seen as a contributing factor in the demise of the venerable Saturday Evening Post and its parent corporation, the Curtis Publishing Company, 2 years later. Both Butts and Bryant had sued for $10 million each. Bryant settled for $300,000. In 1982, James Kirby, the official observer of the trial for the Southeastern Conference, SEC, where both teams played, wrote a book entitled Fumble, Bear Bryant, Wally Butts, and the Great College Football Scandal. In the book, Kirby claimed that the two men, one the coach of Alabama and the other the athletic director of Georgia, were guilty of collusion as charged and lied repeatedly during the trial. Both men were dead at the time of the publication of the book.
Please subscribe and thanks for watching.